I'm really excited to share the Lost Frontier Handbook with you all. This book is packed with invaluable information, covering everything from ancient medicinal remedies to ways of preserving food that never spoils. It teaches you how to make your own painkillers, disinfectants, and even frontier penicillin with simple ingredients you probably already have at home, all with easy-to-follow, step-by-step instructions. If you're into food preservation, this book has methods like smoking, drying, and canning that allow you to store meat and veggies for years. Plus, it shows you how to create a clean water system off the grid, which is a total game-changer for self-sufficiency. There's also a section on growing medicinal herbs even in small spaces, perfect for anyone who wants to feel more self-reliant. You'll find practical tips on making survival rations like Mountain Man biscuits, which last forever. Whether you're preparing for an emergency or just want to live more sustainably, this book is a must-have. And if you act fast, there are amazing bonuses to take your prepping skills even further. So if you're looking to learn real-world survival skills and feel more prepared for anything, the Lost Frontier Handbook is definitely worth checking out.